Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you good. Students, in previous class we have learned about the letters of alphabets, and in this second video we are going to learn naming words. So students, first you tell me what is mean by naming words. So you know that students, naming it means that we have to talking about some name. Okay, so you can see some examples. Okay, C is a girl. Okay, C is a girl. In this sentence, girl is the name of a particular person. Okay, girl is the talking about the person. And in this second examples, we can see that this is a park. Yes, you know that student, park is situated in a particular place. So here in this sentence we are talking about the place. Okay. Next sentence is third. This is a dog. It means that students, we are talking about the animals. Okay. So this is the animal name. Okay. Now see, fourth sentence. This is the table, and table is the name of particular things. So according these students, naming words, it means that noun. And what is meant by noun? We can understand here. Okay, see, first, once again, this is a girl. Girl is a particular person name, person. And this is the park. Park is situated in a particular place. So talking about the place. This is the dog, and dog is a particular animal. Okay. And fourth is, this is the table. Table is the things. So we can make a definition of noun. A noun is the name of particular person, place, animals or things is known as the noun. So we can read once more. A noun is the name of person, place or things is known as noun. Examples: Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a particular place name. Okay. And Pratik. Pratik is the name of boy, person. And this is the Prachi. Prachi is also a name of girl. Tiger. Tiger is the name of animal. So we can say that a noun is the name of particular person, place, animals and things is known as the noun. Noun. We are going to learn what is meant by, yes, what is the special noun and what is the common noun. It means that we can say that we are going to learn kinds of noun. Now students, it's time to see special noun and proper noun. What is mean by special name and proper noun? Okay, a special noun is also known as the proper noun. So students, we are going to talk about, yes, what is mean by special noun or proper noun. Okay, so you can see here definition of proper noun is a special noun. Special, yes, you can see here definition. Okay, definition of a special or proper noun. A special or proper noun is a noun which tells about particular person, place or things is known as the proper noun or special noun. Yes, special noun is the noun which is talk about, which is known about the particular person, particular place, particular things. It is known as the proper or special noun. Okay students, let's see some examples. India is my country. India is my country. So you can see there are so many countries. Okay, but I am talking about a particular country. And what is that country? Yes, that country is India. Okay, so you can see here India is a particular country. I am talking about only India. So India is the special name, proper name. Okay. So this is the special name. Okay. Now see second example. Tiger lives in the forest. So here you can see, yes, there are so many animals live in the forest, but here I am talking about only tiger. So tiger is the name and this is the special name. So we can say this is the special name or proper name. Okay. So this is the special name tiger. In third examples you can see Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. Yes, Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. Yes, you can think, you can know that there are so many countries and all countries have own Prime Minister. But here in this sentence I am talking about the Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi is the special name. So we can say that this is the proper or special noun. Okay. So I hope you have to understand. So students, now time to see second noun. Second kinds of noun is the common noun. Okay. So we know that students, common noun. What is mean by common noun? Yes, common means that we have to some knowledge about common, related to the common things. Okay, which is common between two or more than. Okay, so we can say that students, my mother is a teacher. Okay, in this sentence you can see my mother is a teacher. So students, you can know that teacher may be female or male. Okay, teacher become a male or female. So we can say that teacher is the common noun. What students? Yes, this is the common noun, because yes, teacher may be female or male. Okay. So in this second sentence you also know that Riya is a doctor. Riya is a doctor. So students, you know that Riya is a doctor. In this sentence doctor is the common noun. Why this is a common noun? Because doctor may be a female or male. Okay. So we can say this is the common noun. Yes, third sentence is Rinky's principal is very kind person. Yes, Rinky's principal is very kind person. So in this sentence, principal. Yes, principal is the common noun. What students? Common noun. Why this is a common noun? Because principal may be ladies. It means that female or male. Okay. So you have to know that what is mean by common noun. So we can say that a common noun is the noun which tells about the common in a female or male. Yes. So we know that this is the common noun. Okay. So there are so many things which tells about the common noun. Okay students, I hope you have to understand. Okay, let's see some activity.